Geared towards improving teaching and learning in Lagos State, the second phase of the Eco-Excel training for primary school teachers aimed at building their capacity through technology was organized. For a week, over 2,000 teachers from 200 public schools in the state converged on CMS Primary School, Bariga, and Vetland Primary School, Ifakojai, for the second phase of the exercise. The chairman of Lasubeb, Honorable Wahab Alawiye King, urged the teachers to make use of the opportunity to impact their pupils when schools resume fully.
I know it has been a very interesting, impactful and insightful training experience. Is that so? Yes. All right. Let me at this juncture implore us, particularly to the head teachers, that we must return to our school anew. We must go back to those schools with determination and renewed energy.
He also implored the teachers to return back to schools with determination and renewed energy for better performance.
I implore them to go back and cascade, many of the things they've learned here. They should go back renewed. They should go back with a renewed vigor, with new energy to ensure that classrooms are transformed into a modern classroom.
Some of the teachers who were trained said the training program was indeed educative.
I've learned that I still have a lot to give to the teaching profession. It has kind of gingered me, re-engineered me, giving me a new vision, and I'm raring to go. I need to have a growth focus, that every situation can be changed with practice and continually working on yourself.
This training has really changed my perspective. It has made me understand that you don't have to be redundant. You just have to keep moving forward. You have to be abreast of every new thing that has to do with education in the world.
The teachers commended the Lagos State government for the initiative.
One thing I'm taking away is excellence. I'm not an excellent teacher. I can stand anywhere in the world now. I can compete with other teachers in the world. And Lagos State has really made it possible for us. I give kudos to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu.
In fact, he has done so much. Very great. As far as I'm concerned, I see myself brand new, different from what I am before. And I really want to say a big thanks to Lagos State government.
Eco-Excel is an education reform program that is successfully developing more highly skilled teachers by training, supporting, and motivating existing government teachers to succeed in their classrooms. Over 14,000 government teachers have been retrained and upskilled through Eco-Excel.